In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text color on Visme. Whether you're creating a presentation, infographic, or any other visual content, changing text color can be a great way to bring emphasis to your message or align it with your brand's color scheme. Let's dive into the process and make sure your content looks just the way you envision. First things first, you need to select the text box that you wish to change. To do this, simply click directly on the text box within your Visme project. Selecting the text is important because any changes you make will only apply to the text box you have highlighted. If you want to change the color in multiple text boxes, you can select them all at once, ensuring consistent text styling throughout your project. Now that you've got your text box selected, you should notice a text formatting toolbar appears at the top of the editor. This toolbar gives you a variety of options to customize the appearance of your text, which can be really handy when you're trying to tailor your design to meet specific needs. Here, you'll find features like font style, size, alignment, and of course color. The customizing text format options in Visme are quite intuitive and user-friendly. Next up, let's focus on locating the color icon. Typically, this icon is situated near the font size drop-down in the toolbar. Clicking on the color icon will open up a color panel, presenting a variety of choices. The beauty of Visme is its flexibility in color customization. You can opt for recently used colors, which might be handy if you're frequently applying a specific shade. If your project demands consistency or aligns with particular brand guidelines, accessing your theme colors. If you have them set, makes things efficient and seamless. If you're feeling creative or need something unique, there's also the full color picker. Here, you can search for that perfect hue using precise hex values or simply select from the extensive color palette provided. It's a wonderful feature for anyone looking to experiment with colors and find just the right tone. Once you've made your color choice, simply apply it, and you'll see your selected text box update immediately with the new color. It's as simple as that. If, earlier, you had selected multiple text boxes, this action would change the color for all of them simultaneously, which is a massive time saver when working on larger projects. And there you have it. By following these clear steps, you can effectively change text color in Visme, allowing you to enhance your project's visual appeal and ensure it meets your design specifications. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you continue to create with Visme. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy designing!